This is the second class, UKG B, and we all are here for the fancy dress competition. Parents, you all know that the modern education system is focused on the overall personality development of the child. So, keeping this in mind, our dedicated teachers, Mrs. Ritu Jhari, Mrs. Rajni Pedro, have put a lot of efforts to make this program virtual. And we are continuing with the section UKG B. So I will hand over to Mrs. Pedro ma'am. Pedro ma'am, you can call out the names one by one.
Priyanka ma'am, and very good evening, and my dear kids. Now, number one, Aditya Hindolia as many.
Aditya Indolia have not joined ma'am, so we can ask for the video. We can start with Akshat Sharma. Akshat Sharma, I can see.
Sunflower as sunflower.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
बोलो स्टार्ट.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Akshat.
बोलो खाली
My name is Sharma Kelasiu. I am going to speak about sunflower. I am sunflower yellow and round. I stand tall and this likes to kiss me. My teeth are used to make good. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, very good, children. Very good. Now, next is ma'am. Arush Kumar.
बोल गुड इवनिंग.
Good evening, ma'am.
माय नेम.
Arush Kumar, unmute your mic.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Arish Kumar. My full
भेज नीचे करो. बोलो.
mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is the national fruit of India. It is very juicy fruit. It is
बोलो.
it is in that loved by everyone. It comes the in the summer season. It the it is my of all fruit. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, next one is Dani. Next one is Dakshani as sunflower.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Daksani. I am studying class UKG. My class teacher, ma'am, and preventing sunflower. Today I am going to speak sunflower and sunflower and sunflower, yellow and now. I have many yellow and bright petals. Honey, we like to kiss me. I am also you for decoration. I stand the test. I always use the phone. Funny, funny, funny. Sunflower. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Sunflower. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, very good.
Very good.
Very pretty sunflower. Bedroom, a very pretty sunflower is there.
Now, Gitanjali ma'am, an apple. Gitanjali,
गीतांजलि नंबर आगे पकड़ ले इसको
Good evening, ma'am. My name is I study UKG today in class. Today in book, few lines. The apple are usually red, green, and yellow in color. They are good for health and keep doctor away. Apples are they very tasty and juicy. Thank you, ma'am.
good. Good.
Kunal Singh is not there. I can't see Kunal. So we have let me check. Shaurya Gautam. Shaurya Gautam, UKGB.
Surya Gautam as mango.
My name is Shaurya Gautam. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Shaurya Gautam. Class in UKGB. I am a yummy mango. I am the king of fruits. I am the national fruit of India. My color is yellow and green. I am very juicy and tasty. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Shaurya.
Now, next one, ma'am, Kunal Singh.
Ma'am, Kunal Singh and others I can't see. Maybe they have not joined on time. So what we can do is we can ask for the videos from them for the judgment. Only these students have joined. Others have already performed. If anyone is left, you can just raise your hand. maybe they are not able to join due to some network issue. You can raise your hand. I'll just scroll down to see whether
Excuse me,
anybody
ma'am.
is not left.
Excuse
Yes,
me, Priyanka,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can Nupur can perform again?
Yes, ma'am. That would be fine.
Okay, okay. Nupur, Nupur. Yes, beta, you can start, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, start.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, Principal Ma'am, dear teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Nupur Nagvalchi from class UKG. Today I become an apple, and today I will get a lesson apple. Children, get started. Apple is the sweet fruit. It is produced by apple tree. Apple is red. Apple is very healthy fruit which give us vitamin C and minerals. We use that from apple. We get vitamin C. Doctor says that an apple keeps the doctor away. Apple is good fighter of many diseases. Eat apple every day.
Nupur, again you are not visible, beta.
Maybe because of network problem, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No issues.
Ma'am,
We can call for the videos.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one new boy is visible. Rishi Kutela.
Rishi Kutela is there.
Yes.
Rishi, you can unmute your mic.
Rishi, you are from UKG A or UKG B? Rishi Kutela, first of all, tell me you are from UKG A or from UKG B?
Kuntal, ma'am.
What the?
Kuntal.
Okay, he's Parth Kuntal.
Ah,
So
because
write his name, sir. You have written your name, Rishi.
Parth Kuntal is in UKG B. For that only, I
Okay.
was telling parents to rename with the child name.
Okay, Parth Kuntal. You can start, beta. Judges, he's from UKG B. Parth Kuntal. Yeah, beta.
Yellow and white. Yellow and white. My poem is keep me up and say strong. Banana, banana. Very tasty and very long. Keep me up and say very strong. Ask your mommy the perfect.
Kunal is also there, ma'am. Kunal has joined.
Kunal.
So we can start with Kunal also. Kunal, unmute your mic.
Good morning, teachers. My name is My name is Kunal Sen.
I from class UKGB.
I from class UKGB.
I am a brave.
I am a brave.
I am very tasty.
I am tasty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aditya Indolia have also joined. Aditya Indolia. Unmute your mic, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aditya.
Evening, Aditya. Start.
Yes, Aditya Indola has mango. Yes, carry on. The dot carry on.
Mango.
Boy. Carry
Mango.
on. Carry on.
Aditya, start, beta.
My name is Aditya Indolia. Class UKG B. Poem name is Mango. I
Aditya Indolia, speak out, beta. All are watching.
rabbit, mango. Bye.
Aditya Indola.
Fruit king. Fruit king. अब क्या है? अब क्या आएगा बताओ?
It's okay, ma'am. I think we can ask for the video later on. They can record and send.
Okay, ma'am.
अब क्या आएगा बताओ?
It's okay, Aditya. The purpose of conducting this competition was not to blend the learning with fun, but also to develop the confidence in the students by giving them an opportunity to get on the stage, also in the front of audience. And that was the main reason behind it. It is not basically for the judgment. As you all know, we cannot judge these smaller ones. They are very cute in their performances, whatever they are doing. At least they have tried their level best. What do you say, Abha ma'am? I think all the fruits, we don't have to go to market now. All the fruits, vegetables we have got for the coming week. And they were so funny. Abha ma'am, I would like to invite you to say a few words of motivation for them.
Okay. First of all, good evening to all of you. I would like to congratulate all the students who participated and their parents who did lots of efforts. Indeed, it is a very tough job preparing the children and then making them to speak. Indeed, it is very, very difficult one because we know that their moods, they keep on changing. And whatever they have done, it is all their hard work. Whatever they have confidence, we want to see the confidence of the students. And in some of the participants were very, very confident ones. As far as dressing is concerned, costumes are concerned, I must appreciate the parents and sunflowers, especially, which just now I had seen. Beautiful sunflower, and the way it was just blooming, it seemed that a pleasant breeze is blowing and that sunflower is blooming. Indeed, it is very good. And once again, I would like to say thanks to all the teachers also that they had given me a chance to be the judge, especially Priyanka ma'am, that you have given means you have given me, invited me here, so that I can be a judge and I can also see this activity. Very soon, we are hoping that all the situations will be good ones. We are going to have it on larger scale, and probably whatever network problems are there, we do understand that, but doesn't matter. Everything this evening was indeed very, very wonderful in the company of these beautiful children, especially food we enjoyed a lot. Mango, my God, it's a yummy and delicious one. One mango which was from UKGA, that was really very delicious one, and sunflower also. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you all of you children. You did well done. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like Meeta ma'am to say a few words for the smaller ones, because you know, they have take lot of smile on your faces and they have take us back to our childhood days when we also used to do the same. Meeta ma'am, please say a few words for them. Meeta Mehra ma'am, please unmute your mic.
Thank you, ma'am, and good evening, ma'am, and very good evening to the students also, and for giving me this opportunity. This is some great work by the students as well as by the parents. But students, you should keep in mind that these all fruits and vegetables, they are very good for the health also. And seeing a lots of mango, just now summer has started, but lots of mangoes were there. So our mouth was filled with water, waiting for the mango to eat. So very good effort, children, and you should all have these fruits and vegetables, because as you have performed well and you know the importance of it. So eat as much as fruits and vegetables to keep you healthy and fit. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And at last, I would like to thank you most of all to the parents, those who have done a lot, because this time it was virtual. So also you have to take the role, and teachers also appreciate. I would like to appreciate the teachers also for their hard work, dedication. Thank you, judges, for sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you so much, all of you. That was
Thank you,
a
ma'am.
nice evening.
In fact, it's a pleasure that you invited us for such kind of activity.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wanted to
Thank you,
make
Priyanka ma'am.
yes delightful. So I have
And
Have
especially,
this meeting, ma'am. Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am.
especially Ritu and Rajni Padra ma'am, thank you so much, because it is they are your children and you are doing so much for them. We are also observing it's not an easy task.
Yes, ma'am.
Very so
yes, ma'am. That is a
admirable
difficult
one.
task,
Yeah,
and
typical one.
for the smaller ones, we have to do a lot of efforts.
Yeah,
Thank you
that
so
is
much,
true.
all of you. Good evening.
According to their moods, we have to do the work.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank